paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a bookmark today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require a rectangular paper. Well, you can cut this out from an A4 size paper. Now, it's time for us to give it a beautiful border. At first, we will make the entire design with our pencil. Why don't we make lines and make sure that we are making compartments? Well, at first, we are going to make a square and after that, 3 rectangular compartments. Now, why don't we keep some space and repeat the same thing once again? This looks great. Now, it's time for us to draw our beautiful design on top of it. Well, you can draw the designs you like or even copy this drawing. Yes, this is like a Madhubani painting as well as a Wali painting. And after that, you can also try making different designs. Leaf design or even a zigzag design. Let's repeat the same fish once again. For example, curved design, to give it a finishing touch up, why don't we make dots around it? Now comes the fun part. Why don't we take our sketch pens and start coloring this? Let's take yellow color and start coloring in the zigzag lines. Well, let's use bright colors as Madhubani painting is usually very bright. Well, we are going to use sketch pens for this as the drawing is very intricate and it is very small for us to use crayons for it. Let's make the zigzag lines, all of them with yellow color. After that, why don't we make these leaves with green color? Yes, let's color it if we want. Now give it a beautiful outline with red color. Yes, we will make the sleeping lines with red. Now it's time for us to color the fish. Let's color the fish with orange color. Oh well, we will outline it with orange as well. And then let's color the body with orange and yellow. Now, why don't we give it a beautiful outline with green color? And then let's use pink color. This outline looks beautiful. Now it's time for us to color once again. Let's use this pink color for the border. You can also choose your favorite color. Yes, why don't we color the entire box where the fish is placed with pink color? Once we are done with this, why don't we take purple color to make the waves? It looks so colorful. Now, let's make this design with purple as well. And now, it's time for us to make the zigzag lines with purple as well. Why don't we take our green color and then start coloring inside? You can also take orange color to complete the coloring. And finally, why don't we take orange color or red color and complete the entire border? Yes, we need to color it properly. To give the final touch-ups, let's take our black sketch pen and start making these dots. Let's make these dots at equal distance and complete the entire bookmark. It's so useful, isn't it? Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.